DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, Introduction to DIY Home Improvement. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course. If you've ever felt the desire to take matters into your own hands and transform your living space, then you're in the right place. DIY Home Improvement allows you to unleash your creativity, save money, and create a space that truly reflects your personality and style. In this crash course, we will introduce you to the world of DIY home improvement, share inspiring stories, and provide an overview of the top 12 DIY home improvement skills you can develop. So, let's dive in and discover the power of DIY. Stories and examples. 1. The thrill of tackling a kitchen renovation. Imagine a couple who had long dreamed of having a dream kitchen but couldn't afford a professional remodel. With determination, they decided to embark on a DIY kitchen renovation. They learned how to install new cabinets, lay tiles, and even tackled the plumbing for a new sink. The process was challenging, but the satisfaction they felt upon completing the project was immeasurable. Their kitchen became a space they were proud of, all achieved through their own hard work and dedication. 2. From neglected to stunning. Picture a homeowner who inherited a neglected backyard filled with overgrown weeds and a crumbling patio. Instead of hiring landscapers, they took on the challenge of transforming the space themselves. They learned about gardening, built raised beds, and created a beautiful outdoor oasis with vibrant flowers and a cozy seating area. Their backyard went from a forgotten corner to a place of relaxation and enjoyment. Top 12 DIY home improvement skills. 1. Painting. Learn how to prepare surfaces and apply paint for a fresh and updated look. 2. Basic carpentry. Acquire skills in measuring, cutting, and assembling wood for various projects. 3. Plumbing. Master the basics of plumbing to fix leaks, install faucets, and replace fixtures. 4. Electrical work. Learn to safely handle electrical wiring, install light fixtures, and replace switches. 5. Tiling. Gain expertise in laying tiles for floors, walls, backsplashes, and other surfaces. 6. Drywall Repair. Learn how to patch and repair drywall for a smooth and flawless finish. 7. Flooring installation. Acquire skills in installing different types of flooring, such as laminate or vinyl. 8. Basic masonry. Learn how to repair and build simple masonry structures like brick walls or pathways. 9. Landscaping. Explore techniques for creating a beautiful and well-maintained outdoor space. 10. Cabinet refacing. Learn how to refresh cabinets by replacing doors, hardware, and refinishing surfaces. 11. Window and door installation. Master the art of replacing windows and doors for improved energy efficiency and aesthetics. 12. Basic home maintenance. Develop skills in regular home maintenance tasks like caulking, weather stripping, and gutter cleaning. Summarization. In this crash course on DIY home improvement, we have explored the world of transforming your living space with your own hands. From painting walls to tackling plumbing and electrical work, the possibilities for DIY projects are endless. By developing essential skills and techniques, you can confidently take on a wide range of home improvement tasks. DIY not only saves you money but also allows you to personalize your space and create something truly unique. Poem. In the realm of DIY, we find our strength. With hammers and saws, we go to great lengths. Paintbrushes in hand, we create a new scene. A home that's uniquely ours, a personal dream. Carpentry and plumbing, skills we acquire. Fixing and building, fueled by our desire. Tiling and flooring, surfaces come alive. With each project we tackle, our confidence thrives. Drywall repairs and masonry, we face the test. Landscaping and cabinet refacing, we give it our best. Windows and doors, a gateway to a new view. Home maintenance, the tasks we pursue. With each DIY project, we grow and learn. As our homes transform, we feel the yearn to create and innovate with passion and drive. In the world of DIY, we truly thrive. Song. Verse 1. In a world of hammers and nails, we embark on DIY trails. Paintbrushes and tools in hand. We transform our homes, oh so grand. Chorus. From painting walls to laying tiles, we unleash our creativity with smiles. Carpentry and plumbing, skills we gain. In the realm of DIY, we reign. Verse 2. We fix and build, with determination. Creating spaces of imagination. Tiling floors and repairing drywall. Every project, a proud call. Chorus. Masonry and landscaping, outdoor delight. Cabinet refacing, shining bright. Windows and doors, we install with grace. In the world of DIY, we find our place. Bridge. With each task we undertake, our skills and confidence awake. Home maintenance, a constant endeavor. Creating spaces we'll cherish forever. Chorus. In the realm of DIY, our dreams take flight. As we build and design, with all our might. A home that's personalized, unique to our core. In DIY home improvement, we forever explore. Outro. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.